Oscar Japan, Italy Queen 8, Oscar Japan, contact. CQ contest, Italy Quebec 8, Oscar Japan, Italy Queen 8, Oscar Japan, contact. Roll 4, that's Charlie Sierra, 59 November Alpha. Thanks for number 3, Georgia, Italy Quebec 8, Oscar Japan, Italy contest, Italy Quebec 8, Oscar Japan, Italy Queen 8, Oscar Japan, contact. CQ contest, Italy Quebec 8, Oscar Japan, Italy Queen 8, Oscar Japan, contact. CQ contest, Italy Quebec 8, Oscar Japan, Italy Queen 8, Oscar Japan.
Florida India QRZ Yankee Papa 0 Charlie. Contest Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, contest. Hello contest, CQ contest, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, calling CQ contest, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie. Hello contest, CQ contest, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, calling CQ contest, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie. India Whiskey 5 Alpha Kilo Tango 59249. Papa India for you 59249, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, contest. Hello contest, CQ contest, Yankee Papa 0 Canada, Yankee Papa 0 Charlie, contest.
3 and good luck. Echo America 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, contest. CQ contest, Echo America 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, Echo Alpha 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, contest. CQ contest, Echo America 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, Echo Alpha 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, contest. CQ contest, Echo America 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, Echo Alpha 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, contest. CQ contest, Echo America 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, Echo Alpha 5, Italy Quebec X-ray, contest.
The voltage on the front and back battery, and it'll charge the battery that has the lower voltage. That's the way it works, Graham. And also I can manually override that if I think that I need the front battery to be charged all the time. There's a little manual override switch here which has been installed. So it's not perfect. The alternator in this car is quite small, so it doesn't keep the thing completely charged. But you know, for what I do, if I'm out here for 2 or 3 hours, it's fine. And then I can charge it up with a battery charger at home if I need to, Graham. VK2 UGC for VEA5S mobile, over.